Hello everyone, this is my unboxing of the 1:48 scale F-14 Tomcat. I've got a really good price off this one as ones from Tamiya cost around £90, $121.38 for my American viewers if I have any that is, but this one is Academy so I hope it goes well. In this kit it has 9 sprues separated into 5 bags. It doesn't contain glue or paint so I bought Tamiya extra thin cement and Mr. Color paints. The parts are highly detailed and it contains weapons unlike another F-14 I built a while back. It contains a ton of decals for maximum detail. The instructions are very finely printed, and the paper is of such high quality with very clear paint schemes. That's everything and I hope to see you in the part 1 and please like and subscribe. I'm currently trying to hit 200 before April so just clicking that button would help out a ton. Goodbye.